Makerspark is a creative workshop, a makerspace, an incubator, a co-working space. We build things here. We also do a lot of education and training. One of the core purposes is to do things that you don't know how to do. Because often we look at technology and like, oh, I don't know how to do this, and we walk away. And we want to design the whole class around really getting over that fear and doing things that you don't know how to do.
By being here at Makerspark, it's helped me to get involved in a whole new area that haven't been intrigued by before. So it's so much new things coming up, and I'm really looking forward to see how easy it is to program yourself when you start to understand the softwares and the hardware.
So we're trying to connect what's going on in companies everywhere and make that fear of the unknown into something fun. Getting back into kindergarten and play with things and break them and see what happens.
We've been here for a week where we got an introduction to 3D printing, to visual mapping, VJing and to open source hardware coding. We've been doing some hands-on experience with Arduino and with Light Blue Beam, the Bluetooth chips. The best thing about it is that we don't only read about it, we actually get to put our hands on it and try it. And it's a great way to spark your imagination. You try all these crazy ideas out when you get to pitch them, and it's just been a really intuitive way to learn.
It's been really good. We've got a lot of exposure. I mean, me personally at least, I've got a lot of exposure to stuff that I really want to know more about. How to get sensors to execute actions on other actions. That's like basic core foundation of development of solutions.
We do both shorter and longer courses. The easiest format is just an inspirational event where you get to try a new technology. When we do the longer classes, the final deliverable is some kind of project. So you develop a new product, the group gets divided into teams, and they themselves get to figure out what technologies they want to use and how they want them to interact and what they want to build.